Amazing month, I should say. 2024 start is absolutely amazing. Let me tell you how. I already made 86,000 rupees out of selling courses and selling the artwork. Two paintings only I sold, and each for 25K, and they are 3 feet by 3 feet in size, quite big. I don't know whether it is through Instagram or through YouTube. That doesn't matter, but I got it. Okay, and 6 people have joined for the course which is going to start on 22nd January. I started selling from 22nd December. So that is about 36,000 rupees. So already 86. Plus, I'm going to, in another 1 week, I'm getting my YouTube payment. That's going to be around some 12 or 13K. It is already close to a lakh, just 1,000 rupees lesser for a lakh. Last time when I told you, you said that you will hit 1 lakh, and it is very close to a lakh this time. And I'm terribly happy about it.